one of the speeches entitled Legend of Baturraden. Okay, here we go. Legend of Baturraden. Once upon a time in the kingdom of Central Java, there lived a poor boy. His name was Suta. Although he was poor, but he was very kind and faithful. Meanwhile, the kingdom was ruled by a kind king. The king of kingdom was kind and he had a beautiful daughter, who he loved so much. The king also had great horses that they had to be taken care, so he ordered Suta to be servant to take care of them intensively. Suta was a good servant. He did a great duty for king's horses, and the king appreciated the king's great duty. His duty was to look after the king's horses, give them food, clean to the horses and their meals. Suta liked to take walk after doing his chores to relax for a while. One day, when Suta was walking near a lake after doing his duty, he heard a woman screaming in fear. So, Suta immediately ran to find the source of the scream. Finally, he found a girl there, who later figured out as king's daughter. He saw the king's daughter in danger. There was giant snake attack her. Suta was afraid, but he also worried about the princess. So he took a big stick and hit the snake on its head. The snake was falling down in pain and finally died. "Thank you, Suta. You saved my life," said the princess. "No need for the dead princess. It's my duty as your father's servant to help you." Suta replied, "Would you be my friend, Suta?" "Because I don't have any friend," the princess asked. "Of course, my princess. I will be your friend and always take care of you," Suta answered. Since that day, Suta was the prince become good friend. They even fallen in love each other. So the princess told Suta to go to her father, and ask his permission to marry her. But the king had already heard about their crime. The king was furious to hear about that, so he asked the princess to meet him. "My love daughter, I have already know about your plan. Suta is just a servant, while you are my daughter, the princess. It is unacceptable for you to marry a servant," said the king. But I love her, and he also loves me. You know, he is the one who helped me out there," the princess said. "No, you will not marry him. I will not allow that things happen," the king said. The princess was sad to her father answer, especially after her father roared Suta is jail for having the nerve to ask the princess to marry him in jail. Suta was not given anything to eat or drink. Hearing about that, the princess made a plan to break Suta out of jail. They success and ran far away for the kingdom. They rested near the river. There they got married and started family. The prince, Cerita, and the princess raised to their family was called Baturaden. Batu means servant, while Raden means noble. Nowadays, Baturaden is very interesting story. So, it's located on the foothill of Mount Slamet in Purwokerto, Central Java. Okay, that's a video speeches from me. Bye!